From hardly noticeable features to El Primo's face reveal, these are the 10 Brawl Star things you may have missed. Sometimes having the right drip in Brawl Stars can make players like you more. But if you ever wondered which skin started off the whole hype, it's got to be Phoenix Crow. This was the first legendary skin to cost 300 gems and is basically Crow's ultimate form. However, that's still not enough drip. Supercell, we need a humongous skin. Did you know that Squeak's explosions actually sound different depending on which team he's on? Honestly, I would never have noticed this if someone hadn't pointed it out. Supercell's been trying to hide these sets the whole time. Well, not exactly, but there are a bunch of skins that match a theme perfectly and aren't officially grouped together. For example, there's beetles, zombies, and even food sets. So what's your favorite secret set? But this next feature is so old even OG players might not remember it. Crust were essentially passive abilities that you could unlock by filling up groups of upgrades. The first group had 3 upgrades per stat, the second had 2, and the third just 1. Unlock all 3 crests and another bar at the top would appear, giving you a special ability. However, there was an even older name for these abilities, and it was Nitro, which eventually evolved into the gears we know today. Your credit card has probably been painted by gem packs many times, but did you know that packs actually used to have names? Back in the OG days, gem packs had cool names like Bag of Gems or Vault of Gems. Eventually, they switched it to just show the gem amounts. And here's the wild part. At one point, some packs even showed the wrong amounts, like 2000 gem packs that said it only gave 1850. Which one is it, Supercell? In the Angels vs Demons update, there's a hidden spike Easter egg. When you open the game mode menu, you'll see a contest option that looks like a book. However, when you click it, the book opens, only showing the right page. But if you slide past the limit, you'll catch a glimpse of the left side, and there's a little spike icon in the corner and some notes which say that the end is near. Maybe this was foreshadowing Spike's revenge arc. But that's not nearly as crazy as the inspiration for Moore's design. When players asked Supercell what he was based on, everyone accepts something like Dracula or a classic vampire, but his real inspiration is actually the legendary WWE wrestler The Undertaker. Unfortunately, Mortis isn't nearly as terrifying. Everyone loves Otis. He's one of those rare brawlers with 0 haters. Well, almost 0. But did you know his little starfish buddy actually has a name? Yep, it's Sil. If you read the description of Otis Super, you'll see that he throws Sil to silence enemy attacks. Kinda funny, right? Sil does all of the hard work, but Otis still gets all of the credit. Face yourself, because this might just be the best thing in Brawl Stars. If you grab the SpongeBob skin and flip it over, you will find, no, not the legendary claim 1 million gems button, but something even more better. SpongeBob's butt. Honestly, when I saw it, it was like hitting the jackpot. Who needs infinite gems when you've got this masterpiece? And there you have it. 10 Brawl Star things you may have missed. Make sure to like this video if you have related to this video and share this with your friends to keep them updated of these things. And if you want to add any more Brawl Star secrets that I have missed, you can simply comment it down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget comment it down below also. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.